Hello and welcome to the lecture of C. In last lecture, we have seen integer data type. Today, we will continue with the float data type. For that, we have our new file, new program with two header files. Main function. Into the main function, we are declaring one float variable. But one question is, what is float data type? A float data type is used to store a number with decimal point. Float A. Clear screen and at last get ch. Here we are storing A equals to 10.5 and finally we are printing value of A using %f format specifier. For integer we have used %d and for float we can use %f. To run this program, press Ctrl F9. Here is the output. A equals to 10.5. So this is a float data type. Thank you.